you said the panic is overblown. You said that on June 16th. How was the concern overblown?
Well, John, what was at that time, as you well remember, we were seeing cases declining, and most of our scientists believed that we were well on our way toward lowering cases. But sometime around Memorial Day, things changed.
You may remember when Mike Pence told Geraldo Rivera the pandemic would largely be behind us by Memorial Day. For that matter, you may faintly remember Memorial Day. You may also remember back on June 16th, Mike Pence insisted all available evidence to the contrary that the U.S. was winning the fight against the invisible enemy. Nearly 60,000 souls have died just in the time since he said that. And this week's outbreaks have forced some big colleges like University of North Carolina and Notre Dame to change classroom learning plans again. In fact, right there in Mike Pence's home state at the student-run newspaper at Notre Dame, an editorial with the headline, "Don't Make Us Write Obituaries." Joining us tonight for a status report, Dr. Erwin Redlener, pediatrics physician, senior research scholar at Columbia University's Earth Institute, also the founding director of Columbia's National Center for Disaster Preparedness with an expertise in pandemics. Doctor, simple question to start you off. Where do we stand as a nation, and where does this virus stand as of tonight?
Yeah, so we remain in serious trouble, Brian. We still have the highest number of cases and proportionally the highest number of deaths of any country in the world. This is nowhere near over for us. And now we're about to open schools, and I'm really kind of very concerned about where this is all going to go. And I think the experience that you just cited about what's happening in the universities is a good warning for us that this is not going to go necessarily well or easily in terms of controlling the spread of this virus once we put 55 to 56 million children back in school in one form or another. So we have a lot to watch out for, Brian.
And is there something we're doing wrong on college campuses? Can it be done better, or are we just bumping up against human nature, trying to separate humans and keep their distance, kind of bumps up against what college is all about?
Yeah, that's a really good point, too, because, we're talking about 18 to 22-year-olds who already go to school thinking they're pretty immortal and really craving, and who doesn't remember being that age, craving the social contacts and the interactions. It is an extremely difficult ask of college students to remain separated and to follow the basic public health rules. As the grandfather of a 20-year-old at Ohio State, I know firsthand. He went back last week, and I'm really worried about him. But I think the point you're making is extremely well taken. Are we asking too much of America's college and university students?
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.